Dear students, I hope you are all well and studying in your home and enjoying your online classes. Students, today I want to discuss with you some syllabus changing or reduced syllabus of ICSE class 9th and 10th classes. Okay, so first we see what changes in the class 9th and then we move to the class 10th, so on. Okay, as you see here, the chemistry of the in class 9th, no much changes are there. Only one change you can see, that fourth unit. Okay, in fourth unit of third chapter water, you have to not see this chapter. You have to not read about the advantage and disadvantage of soft water and hard water types and causes of hardness. Okay, so you have to left this last portion. In chemistry only one changes I found. Okay, and in biology subject 5 chapters are as it is, and 6 chapter, 7 chapter you have to not prepare. Okay, you have to prepare only 5 chapters. Okay, so this is for class 9th. Now we move to the class 10th. Okay, if you have any confusion, you can directly call me or you can message me if you find any other changes in syllabus, or if you find that there are some difference, okay, in changes, so you can contact me. Okay, because in class 9th in ICSE not so much changes are in the syllabus, only in third chapter of chemistry and 5 chapter of biology as it is, and you have to not prepare the 6th chapter and 7 chapters. Okay, now we move to the class 10th. In class 10th you can see a huge amount of changes. First we start with the biology. In biology subject, first chapter is basic biology, in which you have to not read about the chemical coordination in plants, which is fourth unit of this chapter. Okay, you have to not cover this unit, okay, or not learn about it, or because it not comes in your exam. Okay, so fourth unit you have to left in first chapter, and after that you have to prepare all chapters. You have to prepare at least 4 chapters. Okay, in 4 only one chapter has changes, and other chapters are as it is. And you have to not prepare the population, human evolution and pollution. Okay, so these chapter you have to not prepare. Okay, I just mentioned with you a list also. Okay, I share with you PDF also, so you can see here whatever these units or subtopics given on your syllabus, you have to not cover. Okay, suppose in population explosion in India, need for adopting control measures, population control, main reason for the sharp rise in human population in India and in the world, and other these topics you have to not covered. Okay, so in this a major good topic like Lamarck's theory and Darwin's theory also deducted from the syllabus. Due to this deduction is happened only due to the coronavirus. Okay, this is only for 2020. You not think that because these are good chapters, if possible we will discuss on them whenever classes are reopen, or if you want to know about the Lamarck's theory, because these are the things which are very important for your future, if you are thinking your future in biology subject or like others. Okay, so some you have to read just for your knowledge, you can read, but this won't become your in your exam. And one more thing I want to discuss with you, that methods of population control, surgical methods, Tubicotomy and vasectomy is included in this. Okay, I am not seen in the last previous syllabus which was given to me, earlier syllabus of ICSC. This is not in your earlier syllabus, but you have to read about them. Okay, so whenever we go through chapter, we will discuss about this topic also, because this included, and other topics we have to not covered. Now we move to the chapter chemistry. Okay, if you have still any confusion, you can directly ask me or contact me. So in study of acids, bases and salts, in third chapter, okay, I already mentioned chapter and subtopics which you have to cover, not covered in the syllabus. So you have to not cover the fifth unit or fifth subtopic, you can say, methods of preparation of normal salt with relevant equations. Okay, these all methods, direct combination, displacement, precipitation, neutralization of insoluble base, neutralization of an alkali or titration, action of dilute acids on carbonates and bicarbonates. You have to not read about them. Okay, you have to only cover 4 subtopics of this chapter. Okay, or 4 units of this chapter. And same as in 5th chapter, mole concept and stoichemistry, you have to only read about the I think you have to only cover the third topic or third unit, you can say. You can see here, first, second and fourth you have to not cover. So it a great relief for you. You have to not read about the gas whatever gas law, Avogadro law. Okay, gas also law. These law you have to not read about them, and refer to atomicity of hydrogen, mole and its relation to mass, and simple calculation based on chemical equations. Okay, you can learn if you want to get more knowledge about them. You can ask me also if you find any difficulty, but this is only for your knowledge, and you have to not cover these topics also, because this is not come in your exams. Okay, so you have to prepare only third unit. Okay, only third unit of this chapter, 5th chapter, you can see easily. And in 7th chapter some changes are there. You have to cover first unit, and you have to not cover the second unit, stages involved in the extraction of metals. Okay, you have to not cover till here. So you can see it's A, B, C parts you have to not covered. Okay, if you have any confusion still in your mind, you can directly contact me, because I am sharing with you only reduced syllabus. Okay, only reduced syllabus which you have to not covered. Once again I am saying that you have to not covered whatever I am discussing with you. Okay, rest of the syllabus as it is. Okay, and in 9th chapter you have to not cover 6th unit and 8th unit or 8th subtopic, whatever you can think. Okay, others is it means other 5th topics you have to cover or learn about it. Okay, as it is whenever we talk about the different topics or subtopics of the chapter, we already exclude them. And if you want to increase your knowledge and want to make your future in chemistry subject, so it's good, and you can learn them. Okay, you can read them and try to understand them, and you can ask to me also. Okay, so if you want to prepare, but these are not coming in your exams. Okay, so these are minor changes. Okay, not so much syllabus is reduced, not vast syllabus is reduced, only a few things of some topics, and 3rd chapter, 5th chapter, 7th chapter and 9th chapter in chemistry you have to not cover. Okay, and you can see easily as I share with you this PDF also. Okay, if you have any confusion, you can please contact me, or if you have any other mistakes, if you find, I try my best. If you have whatever topics is excluded, and this topic is whatever topics are included in your syllabus. So thank you. If you have any confusion, you can contact me. Thank you.